This is an update. This is what Hurricane Irma is putting out. So you see the water's rising, and well, this is just a band of it. It's currently 12:36 by the time I'm making this video, and well, this is what's happening. Flood water. You can see it's flooding right now, and well, it's a category 5 or 4 or 5. And this is just the arm band. I'm gonna probably take another video tomorrow if the weather improves in the daytime. So you can see it's all flooded here. Not a good day to go out fishing or go on a cruise. So this is what's happening. You can tell it's flooded right now. Really, I don't feel safe being out here, but I'm doing it just for you guys, y'all. And baby, don't worry about me. I'll be able to take care of myself. Bell 2222111, something like that. So Bell, don't worry about me, baby. I'll be fine. I've been through many hurricanes in my life right now. This is just another chapter of my life. So don't worry about me, and love you. Bye.